Good evening, everyone. Today is Saturday, September 6th, and this is an update of the price, the value of the gold that you are searching for. I know the world is on panic, and I know most of potential buyer is on panic right now because of the price of gold. Now today the price of gold is 3,586.76 per ounce. In dollars term, 115, 316.93 per kilo. Don't you know that central bank have a hard time to get gold for their business? Because central bank, they are also buying gold and they couldn't get their supply, their short supply. Now, don't you know that Africa is the main source of precious mineral? Recently, I watched on YouTube the richest royal family of Oman. He flew to Africa and he secured tons of gold in Burkina Faso. At the same time, this royal family, the richest royal family in the world, they are also partnering with Ibrahim Traore. So most of you think that you don't like to do business in Africa. Well, you are going to be left behind because you wouldn't get this precious mineral unless you are really serious buyer. Now, this morning and tonight, because I live in Australia, and you are talking to Wilhelmina. I was interviewing a lot of fake buyers. And when I interview the fake buyers, I call them fake. Mostly fake buyers is from Dubai. Why I call them fake buyer? They are asking to bring gold in Dubai, and when the gold is in their hand, that is the time they will pay. You know what? This buyer is a launderer. This fake buyer is a gold launderer. He doesn't want to pay. And he wanted to bring the gold into his doorstep. You never know he's a criminal. You never know he's going to deceive this seller. My dear, you wouldn't get gold. I'm telling you. You wouldn't. Most of the fake buyers and fake joker broker, I call them joker broker, they come to my platform. A few minutes ago, I had a young man send me a text on my WhatsApp because I have two WhatsApp number. He said that he is a buyer and he doesn't know how to introduce himself. He said, "Hi, my name is not Hi, my name is Wilhelmina Ford." So I sent him a courtesy response. How did you get my number? He said he visited my platform on Facebook. Yes, my platform on Facebook is very extensive. And you have to read the procedure because we no longer keep sending procedure. And this young man, he just collecting, roaming around on online on Facebook. That is fine because nowadays everything now is on social platform, on digital platform. Now this young man is from Nigeria. He think he can make money. You wouldn't make money if you don't know your buyer. He pretend that he is a buyer. But when I scrutinize him, he's not. He's just an online launderer. If you understand what is launder, go online and do the research. What is the meaning of gold launderer, and what is the meaning of online launderer? I want you to do the research. Now, going back to the pricing. Going back on pricing of gold. September the 3rd, the price of gold was 114,300 on the world market. And today, the price of gold is $115,000. 115,361 on the world market. Can you see the price of gold today? September 6 is $115,000, 316.93 per kilo. So how are you able to secure then if you don't have cash up? Because gold would not come to you. Now nowadays we are now on the digital information. And I'm the only person who put everything on my digital platform on YouTube and on my Facebook. Now you subscribe and click below, give me a thumb if you understood what you are looking for. If you bump into this video, I want you to read, don't get my number, listen to this video from the beginning to the end. And then after you watch the video, this video, you click below. It says there, we no longer keep sending procedure. The procedure is on this video. And you will never find any person who put everything on the digital platform of Wilhelmina Ford. And then you're gonna ask, Wilhelmina, where are you? Well, I'm based in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. The gold is in Mali. The gold is in Conakry. The gold is in Sierra Leone. We have gold and diamond. Now you're gonna ask, Wilhelmina, what is your position? That is a very good question. I promote Africa. The owner of the gold, the company, hired Wilhelmina to handle sales and marketing for them because they are tired dealing with fake buyers and fake chain of joker broker. That is the reason why you wouldn't get gold, because no one is explaining to you live video call. And one gentleman, he chat with me on WhatsApp, and I have a courtesy to respond to him, and I want to see him. I send him a message. I want to talk to you. I want to see you live video call. He refused. He's scared. So therefore, this gentleman, he is an online launderer. He collect information. He saw my platform on Facebook. He didn't read it because he didn't even introduce himself, who he is, until I send him a response that please introduce yourself who you are. So I added him since he gave me his name. He's from Nigeria. He's just an online launderer. You wouldn't be able to secure gold if you are not a buyer. This gentleman from Nigeria is not a buyer. He's just a joker broker, an online launderer. He thinks that he can make money out of online laundering information. You get the information from Wilhelmina. It's okay. If you are very smart and if you read and listen to this video, I can guarantee you, you would not be frustrated. I can guarantee you, you will get the supply if you are a buyer. Now, I just watched the video on Burkina Faso. the president of Burkina Faso, Ibrahim Traore. I admire him because he sent this big company to jail. Australian mining company, Canadian mining company, the president of Burkina Faso. He confiscated tons of gold and then de-arrested the big company. Why? Because this big company are also involved on gold laundering. They don't declare to the government that they make money, and they smuggled gold in order to get more profit. What happened? The young president of Burkina Faso found out that this foreign mining company didn't declare that how many tons of gold they mine in Burkina Faso, and they didn't even pay taxes in a proper way. So what happened? Australian mining company is in Calubos. Canadian mining company is in Calubos. Go on my platform on Facebook. I put the link in order for the buyer to understand that don't take him for granted. This big company, they think because they're big company, you can bribe now. Africa is awake already. They're awakening. I admire Ibrahim Traore. I've been following his video. Now, even in Ghana, they start to implement the new gold buying regulation. Many years ago, there's so many issues in Ghana. Many years ago. Today, you cannot buy gold in Ghana unless you buy that direct to the government, and you need to pay in full. The gold would not leave the country of origin without full export documentation that you have paid the gold to the government. No discount. Nowadays, especially the scarcity of gold supply. My seller have tons of gold, but you wouldn't be able to get the gold from us unless you will be scrutinized by this woman. How I'm gonna scrutinize you? All right? When you come to chat with me and you send me a message, please, I urge you, you act as a professional. Do not say hi because my name is not hi. And I'm going to block you, and I'm going to reject you. I'm going to delete you. So you watch this video. There's a message on the screen. Listen to this video. Read the message on the screen because I changed it in order for the buyer to understood that this gold business is not for everyone. This is not for the chain of joker broker. This is for the real end buyer who's been searching gold supply and diamond via digital information. You found Wilhelmina because Wilhelmina is the one who put everything. I promote Africa. My role is completely different from your joker broker. Completely different. I'm sorry if I hurt your ego because you are not paying attention. You're not. When you saw me on this video, you just get my number and then you send me a message on my WhatsApp and then you say hi, hello. My name is not hi, hello. My name is Wilhelmina Ford. I am the extension of the seller. And I am going to scrutinize you. Sorry, I was being interrupted. Okay, I was being interrupted. That's all right. And what happened? You wouldn't get the gold. It's easy to find a supply. You found Wilhelmina. you found this beautiful, tough woman, and he wouldn't buy your bullshit, excuse my language. Mhm. So, Mr. International Buyer, what are you waiting for? The price of gold today is 115,316.93. I warned everybody. I warned you before, 3 years or 4 years ago. Bank now, because there is a tendency that the price will goes up. Now we are almost end of 2025. Now the price of gold today, at any moment, because today is Saturday, here in Australia, the stock exchange is closed. But New York Stock Exchange open today because we have a time difference. Right. The price on Monday could be 3,600 per ounce or 3,700 per ounce. Assuming Monday, the price of gold 3,600 times 32.15. This could be the price. Okay? On Monday. Now, before ending of 2025, because I've been watching Kitco. I love that website because to gain knowledge, I need to research, I need to inform international buyer on my platform. When you come to my platform, at least you are well informed. Now, before ending 2025, 3,700, maybe end of this middle of this month. Now, before ending 2025, the price of gold could be 4,000 per ounce. 4,000 per ounce. Multiply that to 32.15. This could be the price. 128,600. So the price is up, 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 up. Now the central bank couldn't even find gold. There are shortage of gold. I read on Kitco that the central bank have a difficulty on getting gold to supply their own customer. And you are my new customer. Now you are not buying refined, you are buying unrefined. Where are you going to find the unrefined? It's in Africa. Africa is 54 country. That 54 country, they produce precious mineral. Go on my platform on Facebook. How many tons of gold Burkina Faso ship it to Oman? How many tons gold ship it to India and China? Tons of gold, cash. And you pretend to be a buyer, but at the end of the day, when I interview you, you are not qualified because you don't convince Wilhelmina. How are you able to convince us? Very clear and simple. You finish this video, right? You read the message on the screen. Don't be excited. Subscribe on my YouTube channel and also on my Facebook. Click below. You read the full corporate offer because I'm no longer sending corporate offer. Now you're gonna say, well, Amina, where is the gold? During our interview, I will scrutinize you first. Then I will determine which seller I'm going to take you. You want tons of gold? We have. But how are you able to pay? We have tons of gold in Bamako, Mali, the third largest gold producer in West Africa. Guinea-Conakry, the fourth gold producer in West Africa. Sierra Leone, the fifth gold producer in West Africa. They have huge deposit of gold in that particular country. So you are buying direct from us via Wilhelmina. And Wilhelmina will screen, will interview you, live video call, in order for me to find out whether you are really serious buyer or not. During my interview with you, and if you don't answer to my question, immediately you will be rejected. Just like when you apply for a job, you need to have a resume in order to get the position, like engineer, like accountant, nurses, or doctor. You need to have your resume. Buying gold, you need to have your resume. In what way? Your resume will signify that you are a buyer. I need to see your business registration. That is your resume. I want to see your importation license. That is your resume. And I need to see a copy of your passport copy. That is your resume that you're applying to buy. And I want to see the proof of fund that you have $1 million standby in your bank account. That is your resume to signify that you're a serious buyer. And lastly, you need to apply money laundering certificate in order to prove to your bank manager that you are going to buy valued goods in Africa. Because when you transfer $1 million to Africa, your bank manager might think that, where did you get $1 million? Is your money clean? Yes, you need to be prepared. The seller would not explain to you like this. There's so many fake offer online. There is a company that his pictures is AI generated. I don't do AI generated. I don't. You go on my platform on Facebook, you can see Wilhelmina holding the gold. You see Wilhelmina was in Africa. You see Wilhelmina, I was in Mali and in Guinea and Sierra Leone. That is real. I work for the seller. I am a gatekeeper of the seller. The gate is closed unless you introduce yourself. The gate will be open to you when you submit your credential during our conversation, live video call. Most of you are scared to have a video call. You have so many reasoning. To me, you're a launderer. A person who is a launderer, they're scared to show their faces. I'm not scared. I'm here. This is my virtual office. I don't have gold here. The gold is in Bamako, Mali. I will take you when you present your resume that you are a buyer. If you are from Dubai, I'll take you to Guinea, Conakry, Guinea, or Mali or Sierra Leone when you meet the criteria, because you submit your resume during my interview with you, live video call. And you need to open your camera because I can size up whether you are telling the truth or not. I can size up the language of our conversation. And you're gonna say, oh, well, Amina, I have plenty of buyer. To me, you're bullshitting. And how come your buyer that cannot get the gold? So therefore, you are online launderer. It's okay if you're online launderer, but at least you gain knowledge out of my platform. This platform is very unique and very extensive. Wilhelmina is your business facilitator at the same time. You don't need to deal with a chain of joker broker. I call them joker broker. Why? They're getting information from my platform. That is fine. at least you gain knowledge, because knowledge is worth $1 million. You would not get this knowledge out of the seller. The seller would not give you this knowledge. And don't travel in Africa unless you are well prepared. Do not. Because I'm telling you 100% guarantee you are going to stumble down. Meaning to say, you're going to encounter disaster. Recently, I interviewed the buyer. He flew to Sierra Leone. He was talking to fake offer in Sierra Leone. And what happened? Stranded in Sierra Leone. He's American. And I told this American, I'm sorry, I don't deal buyers unless well screened. And he asked me, Madam, where is your office? I want to come to your office. And I said to him, I don't know you. You never know you're a criminal. The instruction of my seller, Wilhelmina, before you're going to send the buyer to us, I want you to scrutinize the buyer properly. Because there are so many criminal activities going on, mostly a foreigner. They are hold upper. They pretend that they are a buyer. And then they're going to say, oh, I want to buy 1 kilo. This is what the American was saying to me. And I told him, we don't sell 1 kilo. And the seller wouldn't sell 1 kilo. There is a minimum. So he failed to get the gold because I reject him, because he doesn't explain who he is. When I found out he's a joker broker. He was being paid by his buyer to travel to Sierra Leone. Ladies and gentlemen, you better pay Wilhelmina's services to take you to get the gold in Africa. Before you travel, I will gather your vital resume. As I mentioned a while ago, your vital resume, a copy of your business registration, a copy of your importation license, passport copy, proof of fund, money laundering certificate. 5. If you have that, I can guarantee you will get the gold from us. Now you're going to say, well, Amina, send me the procedure. The procedure is on this video. After you watch, you click below subscribe. Time to time, when I upload my answer to this joker broker, joker buyer didn't meet the criteria, I rather tell the world that you wouldn't get this gold unless you are well prepared, unless you prove that you have $1 million in your bank account. If you don't have $1 million, you wouldn't get the gold. There are so many fake offer. Go for it. At the end of the day, you are going to encounter disaster. Recently, there was a buyer that I negotiated the price 2024, and this buyer from United Kingdom, and he understood that he is going to pay the gold, the 10 kilos. And we sent him the pre-invoice. We sent him a contract. I'm very excited. They travel with me. And they hired security from Israel. when he watched the movie Blood Diamond, they are getting paranoid. And I told them, why are you hiring security guard? I'm a woman, I don't have any security guard. Because the gold is not in your possession. So they were excited, they're happy. And suddenly, they go behind my back. This buyer. And he was being manipulated by the seller because he was been contacting other seller. And they're gonna say, be careful of Wilhelmina. So they were feeling nervous. And he go behind my back. And I told him, that is normal, you have to pay the gold. And the invoice was sent to him in advance, that he is going to pay 40% down payment. The 40% would not be given to the seller unless the gold will be asked. There was an issue in the office. So the gold was given to him of $60,000 per kilo, 2024, November 12. So when the price goes up, the owner of the gold changed the price. So there was an issue. And I told him, okay, I will find you another seller, okay, because his fund is just very limited. And during the time, it was Holy Week. And this buyer was really paranoid, talking to other seller. He met the seller in Conakry, and he walked into the central bank. The central bank was saying, yes, the gold will be brought to the central bank. The gold will be brought to the central bank until you pay the gold to the owner of the gold. And I took this buyer to the exporter's office, and it was been explained to him that the owner of the gold will bring it to the exporter, and the owner of the gold will be receiving a letter that he received the gold. But the owner of the gold would not bring to the exporter until the payment would be transferred. There was an issue. It's beyond my control. Okay, I was there. I explained to the buyer. Okay, what happened? This buyer, he's getting paranoid, and he go behind my back. And I told him, I will take you to other seller, but you have to reduce the quantity. Instead of 10, let's say 7. I will bring you to my premium seller, but don't bank on it, because I have to renegotiate the price. And this seller that I brought this buyer was really a good price for him. What happened? He go behind my back. Can you imagine that? Now, Mr. Buyer, if you're watching this video, if I mention your name, you bullied me. I'm not scared to your bully. I'm not. Because I invoice you with my extra service, right? Do you mean to say I'm going to fly to meet you for free? This is not free business. This is real business. My charge to this buyer of $20,000 is peanuts, non-refundable. I invoiced the buyer. When everything I gathered, I invoiced the buyer that the 20,000 is non-refundable to cover my travel cost, miscellaneous expenses, to be with them. But this buyer is very, very shrewd, and he intimidated me. I'm sorry, guys. I don't scared of intimidation. Yeah, I have my lawyer. So this buyer failed. If this buyer was really nice to Wilhelmina, he can get the gold, because I know my other seller. I know he can get the gold, even 5 kilos, just to prove to him. But he failed. He was explained by the exporter, this is how you gonna get the gold. And he was asking the exporter license number, and the exporter says, I would not give the export license number to your buyer, Mrs. Ford, because I noticed this buyer is getting shrewd. Originally, he's from India, but he live in London. Failure. And he intimidate me. Guys, you cannot intimidate me. My services is for miscellaneous expenses to travel with you. Now, Mr. International Buyer, you have an option. The price of gold is 316.93. You are not buying refined. Our selling price on on 22, right? 22 carats, unrefined, which is today is 105.70 today. But you have not confirmed. So don't panic because there is always room for negotiation. Always. If a big quantity, yes. We don't sell 1 kilo, 2 kilos, or 5 kilos no more. Minimum at least 20. But if you really convince Wilhelmina, I might fit in you to my seller. I will determine which seller I'm going to take you. Just come for conference. Don't come for conference until you read the extensive full corporate offer on this video. Then you come for conference because you are ready to be interviewed by Wilhelmina. Now you're gonna say, Wilhelmina, why are you charging your service fee? Well, I went to my lawyer to ask for advice. They charge me. Now you visit on my platform, you gain knowledge already. It's worth $1 million. But when I travel, it's different scenario. I don't give free service actually, but I feel sorry for you, Mr. International Buyer. Now we are now on digital platform. I am the only person who put everything on my digital platform on Facebook and on my YouTube digital platform. On Facebook, you can see the pictures with the message plus this video and the full corporate offer. I wouldn't entertain any joker broker. You visit my platform, you read, you gain knowledge. But I need to talk to the main buyer because I need to interview the buyer, whether he is capable to purchase. Recently, there was a buyer flew to Conakry, Guinea. He returned to his country empty-handed. And then he found me on my YouTube channel. And I told him, get out on Conakry, Guinea. You listen to my video first. And then when you come back, I will take you to Conakry. Because he said he loves Conakry, Guinea. He's going to bring the gold to Dubai. Can you imagine that? When he fell, he searched on YouTube. He found this lady. It's very clear and simple if you're really serious buyer. So there's so many serious buyer as well on online and fake buyers. There are two kinds of buyer. Bullshit buyer and the real buyer. The real buyer doesn't talk bullshit. Only bullshit buyer that he think that he can get gold for free. Gold is not for free. Just go on my platform on Facebook. You saw Ibrahim Traore. I admire this president. I use this as an information tools in order for the buyer to understand that gold is not for everyone. This gold is for the elite that have money. And if you are brokering, I can guarantee you, you are going to fail. So, Mr. Buyer, if you bumped into this video, don't panic. I am here to assist you. I am here to negotiate the price for you. But my services, when I travel, is not for free. My services is also expensive. You're buying expensive product, which is gold. Gold is cash. Gold is money. Just look at this central bank. I watch on Kitco. Go on Kitco. Central bank have a hard time to get gold. Why? The owner of the gold would not sell his gold cheap. Everybody buy and refine. Because you can refine it into 99.99. You can refine it to make into jewelry and lot of things. Africa is the main source of supply. 98% of gold produced in Africa. 50% diamond produced in Africa. So don't come to Wilhelmina asking me procedure, because I don't go for anybody that doesn't read. The procedure is now on this video. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening. Please take time, read it, listen to this video, because there is a message when I open my mouth. Have a nice day. I'll see you next week. Today is Saturday. I work 7 days a week because lots of buyer come for questioning on the ask information. It's okay. I can answer all your question. But I'm very smart. I can detect that you are bullshitting. Right? Thank you very much.